Namaste everyone, this is Kartika and you are on my YouTube channel, and today we are diving into some Indian fashion aesthetics. So today I'm sharing some tips and accessories that can make you look instantly stylish, from small black bindis to red lipsticks. Let's just get into the video to see how you can elevate your style game. So let's start with the simplest thing but the most effective in styling in Indian attire, which is this small little dot that we put in the center of our forehead, and this just changes your style instantly. So this tiny little accessory has a very powerful impact and it just elevates the look instantly. It is just timeless and adds an elegance to any Indian look. So it just perfectly complements any attire, any Indian attire like sari, salwar kameez, and just makes your face the focal point of this whole look. So I'm just going to show you live that how it changes my look instantly. So look at my face. It just looks very dull and like very what to say, not lively basically. But when I put this little thing in the center of my forehead, look at it, instant liveliness, and it just makes your face and whole look like a very happy go lucky girl kind of a thing. So yeah, very powerful. Never ever underestimate a power of a small little black bindi, even a red bindi, and this just never goes out of style. Timeless. Next up is my personal favorite, which is a v-neck blouse design. I can't tell you, whenever I see a lady wearing sari with a v-neck blouse, I just see them, I instantly fall in love with the look of them because it looks so elegant and so stylish. The v-neck design on the blouse is not only stylish but incredibly flattering. So this v-neck design just elongates your neck and gives you very graceful and elongated silhouette. This v-neck blouse with a sari just gives you a very modern touch to a traditional look, and it's just very good for any formal or informal occasion also, making you look chic and sophisticated. When I just hear the word sophisticated, I instantly remember not Tarak Mehta, but the Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, and in that Maya used to wear v-neck blouses and she is the focal point of sophistication. So you know v-neck blouses are. Now let's just talk about statement rings. These are just a stylish piece of accessory. It can make any look instantly stylish. Whether you are just wearing a traditional or contemporary look, it just adds a touch of glamour to your hand and makes your hand look really beautiful. Just go for a design that actually resonates with your personal style. You can go for any statement ring which is like a minimal one, or you can go for a very traditional one, or even with stones and stuff. It just should resonate your personal style. Statement rings, I think, is a conversation starter and it just adds a bit of sparkle to your hand and just makes it look even more beautiful. Next thing that can instantly make you look stylish in Indian fashion is a kohl eye look. This is like getting trending on makeup looks right now, and I have seen many kohl eye looks. I can show you right here and here, and these all look so pretty and it just makes the Indian look so much beautiful. For an everyday look, you can just go for a single stroke of line in your waterline and just make it look a simple look. And for a bold dramatic look, you just go for a smoky eye look and just smudge the kohl kajal on your upper line and lower line and make it look even more smoky, and it looks so pretty. Either way, kohl kajals just makes your eyes look really beautiful and gives you a very stylish appeal. Next item that can make you instantly stylish is one of my personal favorite, which is a red lipstick. Not just a red lipstick, but a red lipstick with maroon undertone. It just makes you look very stylish. I just loved that lipstick on any girl. It just makes me appreciate their look a little more. A maroon tone red lipstick not only complements Indian skin tone but also enhances and makes that look very beautiful and sophisticated. It is perfect for parties and weddings, etc. And you can also wear it when you want to look a little extra fabulous on a day out. So there you have it. These are the things that can make you look instantly stylish with the Indian twist. Whether it's a bindi or a statement ring or even a v-neck blouse, each element has its own charm and it can instantly make you look stand out. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any suggestions that you can add it to this video, you can comment down below, and you can also share which tip did you like the most. And until next time, stay stylish and keep shining. Namaste.